Hello friends, now we will cover the N16 chip. So the N16 chip is just like the AND chip, AND gate. However, instead of 1 bit, it performs on 16 bitwise. So we will have output of 1 and the input is 2, A and B, and each bit of the input A is 0, B 0. The output will be A plus B. A and B. So when both of them are 0, as you can, if you remember the truth table of the AND gate, it's only true when both are 1. So when both of them are 0, or when one of them is 0, then the result will always be, the out will be 0. And when both of them are true, then the out will be true. The out will be 1. So we will perform each of these operations on A0, B0, A1, B1 until A15, B15, and that way we will have to build 16 AND gates, 16 AND gates in total. So just like the not 16, we will have to build 16 AND gates. This looks a little bit messy, but there is 16 AND gates here, and each bit is going through one of them, and the output is going through the out 16. So now let's try to build it in VS Code. So first we will use obviously the AND function. The A will be A0 instead of just A. The B will be B0 instead of just B. And the out will be out 0 instead of just out. And that way we can do this, replicate this all the way, replacing N with 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Do not put the number 16. A16 does not exist in 16 bits. It starts from 0 to 15. So we will continue to do this until the A15. My VS Code is suggesting this because I've already wrote the code before, so it just remembers it. But you kind of have to write this manually, or you can go to the website and just copy the code from there. It makes it easy. Now A15, and if you run this code in your simulator, it will give you successful results. Now let's try this out on our logism software. So as you remember, only when 2 bits are true, then the result will be true. So here we have the A bit, A16, 16 bits, and here we have B16. So if I put 1 in the first one and 1 in the first one of A, then here, as you can see, we will have 1. And if I do the same thing for the second bit here, this is A1, and we will put true B1, and now out 1 is true. And that way, if we do this throughout all the inputs of the first row, first half, and all the inputs in the first half, then all the rows of the input of the first half of the output, will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this way we have built the N16, and if you would like to learn more about the OR16 chip, please watch the next video.